Hello, Dodgen 6th grade band. Today we are going to be working on the Dodgen Daily Dozen. You'll need the following things: the Daily Dozen sheet, which you can get off of the OneNote class notebook in the content library. You will also need a pencil and, of course, your instrument. The Daily Dozen deals with chromatic scales, chromatic notes. That's notes that are right next to each other, can't get any closer. Like on this piano keyboard, here are the notes from our exercise today. You see I hit every single key in order, I didn't skip any. And going down, look at the notes. The first thing we always want to look at is the key signature. You can see we have a B flat and an E flat in our key. However, you're also going to notice there's a lot of E naturals as you look throughout this exercise. So let's go ahead and mark those E naturals since they fall outside the key. By the way, these notes are good for flute. It's the exact same notes for oboe as well. So here we go. Let's circle these E naturals. Here's one there, and there's one there. That E is flat, that E is flat because of the key. When this bar line happens here, that takes away or cancels out the natural sign there. Now the second line is a little bit more interesting. We have an E natural here, right after the E flat. Then we have another E natural here. Then, right after this E natural, there's an E flat. And that flat remains in effect till the end of the measure. So it's still flat when we get to the end. So E natural, E flat, D, E flat again. But then as soon as we do the E flat, there we go, back to E natural yet again. Now this the natural sign here, it carries over. So that natural is still in effect right over there. That's a crooked E line, isn't it? So that's an E natural as well. Now right after that, we have the flat sign next to the E telling us we're going back to following the key, which includes E flat, and we end with a D. All right, this is called the accidental rule. When you have an accidental, it lasts till the end of the measure, or unless something tells you to do something different, like that flat sign right there. Let's go ahead back to line A here and say the letters in rhythm. We're going to include the word flat or natural for every E since it goes back and forth so much on this particular line. Ready, set, and letters. B, E flat, E natural, F, rest. F, E natural, E flat, D, rest. Now letter B. Same notes, but it goes up and down a couple of times. And these are quarter notes, so they are twice as fast as these half notes. Here we go. 1, 2, letters, go. D, E flat, E natural, F, E natural, E flat, D, E flat, E natural, F, E natural, E flat, D. Rest. Stop. All right, now let's play it on our instruments. This is for flutes and oboes. I have an imaginary oboe. They're trapped at school. Here we go. Good posture, good hand position. Think about the angle and the stance of your instrument. Oboe, more like this. And here we go. Letter A. 1, 2, ready? Rest right together. All right, let's do letter B. Again, same notes, twice as fast and more times. 1, 2, letter B. And that's it. Go back, rewind that, play along with me as many times as you want to make sure it sounds just right. Make sure you upload your recording into the OneNote by your class notebook by Friday. If you want a little extra help, I'm planning a Zoom session where we can kind of all work on this together and see each other's faces and hear each other's sounds. That schedule will be posted up on Edmodo with the codes to join the meeting, all that kind of stuff. All right, folks, looking forward to seeing you in real life pretty soon. Take care.